everyone. I'd like to say thank you for all of my subscribers, especially for the new one. Thank you so much for subscribing. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, I encourage you to please like and subscribe to my channel. That's at ᴜᴜᴜᴜ@youtube.com. And you can follow me as well on my Facebook and Instagram account at ᴜᴜᴜ. For today's video, we will be doing another unboxing video. This is one of my favorite shoes, Adidas. And if you noticed on my previous video, I unboxed the Puma Alteration. And this time, we will be unboxing the Adidas Supercourt RX. So, I bought these shoes on the same store at Seoul Academy. Seoul Academy is located in BGC Taguig. I'll go ahead and link their store below. They have a Instagram and Facebook account at Seoul Academy. I encourage you to visit their store because currently they have wide range of shoes na on sale for 30% off. And if you have a BDO and RCBC credit card, you can for 0% installment. That's for 3 months. So it's quite a lot of savings, especially Christmas is fast approaching. It's a good gift ideas that you can give to your loved one or to yourself. Diba? Reward yourself for something na pinaghirapan mo naman. Without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Here you go. So, diba? White po yung nakuha kong kulay. Parang two-tone siya. In person, the sole, ito. This is parang cream yung kulay niya. And then white yung top niya. What I like about it is this split na outsole. Wherein parang nakaseparate yung heel at saka yung forefoot. It gave me the look. It's kinda parang Balenciaga yung design niya, no? So, ayan. You can notice. Embossed yung logo sa likod. And then meron din siyang sa gilid. This one, the Adidas. Great, di ba? Okay, so ito siya. What I like about it, because pag white talaga, you can never go wrong. Ang dami mong pwedeng ma-pair, ang dami mong pwedeng magamitan for that. White yung inner sole niya, guys. Yung apakan niya is white na Adidas. And gusto ko nito kasi for the price na 7,500 less 30%, it would cost you for 5,250 with the look at saka sa tibay niya. Ito kasi upper leather kasi to. So, comfort, check. Value for money, check. Yung katagalan niya para magamit. Sobrang comfy niya. At yung size pala nito is 9 US. 8.5 lang ako. Binigyan ko siya ng allowance. So siguro yung nakikita ko lang isang magiging problema mo dito if you are wearing a foot sock. Kasi yung tongue niya, if you have noticed, kung naka-foot sock ka, tendency is masakit yung skin na hindi nako-cover ng medyas mo. So, but that is something na ma-address naman natin. May mga foot sock naman na hanggang dito siya. So, siguro yun na lang yung hanapin mo. O di kaya mag-medyas ka na lang. Ang ganda naman siyang i-pair. Diba? So, siguro na lang alagaan na siya ng mabuti. Madami naman tayong nabibili na sa ngayon na mga waterproofer, stainproofer. You can buy. At speaking of, meron din doon sa Seoul Academy binibenta ng mga kit. Ako hindi na ako bumili, kasi meron na ako. So, this one I got from BioFresh. Sa SM store ko lang to nabili, mga palangga. This is only for 499. So, yung gagawin mo lang is spray mo siya all over. Spray mo siya all over. Parang ano siya, nano waterproofer. And this is just not only for waterproof lang na purpose. Ang dami niya, pwede siya sa stain, alikabok, and everything. So, 499, matagal ko na itong ginagamit, considering ang dami kong white shoes talaga. So, siguro this is the 3rd month na hindi pa siya ubos. Madami pa siya. So, you can visit the SM store and you can check for this. Kung very particular ka naman sa brand, you can visit Seoul Academy na lang. Madami sila doon ng mga branded talaga. At when it comes sa quality, sobrang ganda din ito. So, mga palangga, just a tip lang, no, if you're planning to buy a shoes talaga, I encourage you to take time to visit outlet store or any retail store that they offer legit product and most especially discount at the same time. Don't be a panic buyer. Ako talaga, it's parang naging gawain ko na siya that every time when I see something, I always wait for a sale. Kasi malaki talaga yung savings na nakukuha mo.